If your engineered wood floor edges are lifting because the glue gave up, you gotta act fast to avoid bigger headaches. So, first off, check where the edges are lifting and see if you can gently press them back down. If they stick, cool, but if not, you're probably dealing with glue failure. Next, clean out any old glue gunk or dirt from under those edges so the new glue can actually hold. Use a strong wood adhesive made for engineered floors. Don't just grab any glue from the store. Apply it carefully under the lifting edges with a small brush or a glue syringe if you have one. Then, clamp or weight down the edges so they stay put while drying. No skipping this step. It's how you get a solid bond. Give it at least 24 hours to dry before walking on it or moving furniture back. If the damage is too bad or the floor keeps lifting, you might need to replace those sections instead of just re-gluing. It's tempting to ignore it, but fixing it early saves you from spending way more money later. One of the biggest problems with re-gluing engineered wood floors is using the wrong kind of adhesive, which just won't stick and will waste your time and money. Make sure to pick a glue designed specifically for engineered wood floors. Another mistake is not cleaning off old glue properly. If you don't do that, the new glue won't bond right and the edges will lift again fast. Lastly, skipping the clamping or weighting step after applying glue is a huge no-no because without pressure, the glue won't set tightly and your floor will keep acting up. Fix these by double-checking your glue type, taking time to clean the surfaces well, and definitely using clamps or weights to hold everything in place until dry. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. And if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get more work and grow your business with folks who need your skills.